Let's make spicy cilantro lime chicken wings. In this easy recipe for chicken wings, what I seasoned them with my Creole spice, marinated in that along with fresh lime juice. I left them in the fridge for a couple of hours, took them out for a few minutes while the grill was heating up, and then I barbecued. Once I finished grilling them up on the barbecue, I added in a little bit of butter, gave them a toss, and I added in what I call my new favorite sauce, my cilantro lime sauce. That easy recipe is also on my channel. Be sure to check that one out. This is the leftover of the butter and the cilantro lime sauce. Going with the flat. And if you remember, the push and pull, we take that flat wing, we push, we pull, we eat, we enjoy. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh, they're still hot. Push. There we go, I got it. The dip and the pull.